every cabin, one system. CabFix was created primarily for both authorized and independent service centers specializing in accident repair of truck cabins, whether from a single brand or multiple manufacturers. The core idea behind the system is the ongoing expansion of adapter options, tailored to fit the cabins of the newest vehicle models. The CabFix system allows the cabin's original shape to be precisely restored, with special focus on critical mounting areas such as hinges and locks. CabFix ensures reliable and safe fastening of the cabin to the CabMax hybrid repair bench, providing comfort and efficiency throughout the repair process. CabFix, every cabin, one system.